In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Coinbase to Coinbase Advanced, a simple guide to upgrading to Coinbase Advanced in 2025. If you've ever wanted to elevate your trading experience with more tools and features, this process is easier than you might think and takes only a few moments to set up. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll need to log into your Coinbase account. For those of you already familiar with the platform, just use your usual login credentials to gain access. If you're new or have been away for a while, ensure your account details are up to date, as this will help with a smooth transition. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked vertically. Tapping this icon will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you access to various options and settings. This menu is your gateway to many of Coinbase's functionalities, so it's handy to know where it is. Within the menu, navigate to the trade section. This is where you'll find the toggle for activating the advanced features. Once you've reached this section, all you need to do is turn the advanced toggle on. This single action will grant you access to more sophisticated trading options. Now, it's important to note that these advanced features are designed to give professional and active traders more control and insight into their trades. So, having a basic understanding of trading principles will definitely enhance your experience. In case you prefer a different route to access the advanced tools, there is an alternative available. Simply return to the home screen of your Coinbase app. Once there, look for the candlesticks icon located at the top of the screen. Tapping this icon will bring you directly to the advanced trading interface. This interface is tailored to provide you with comprehensive data and more detailed analytics, helping to inform your trading decisions more effectively. And there you have it. With these quick and easy steps, you've switched to Coinbase Advanced. Now you're all set to start trading with advanced tools and features. Whether you're looking to conduct detailed analysis or explore new trading strategies, these additional functionalities offer a powerful set of resources to get the most out of your trading activities. So why not take some time to explore these new features and see how they can benefit your trading endeavors? Thank you for tuning in to this step-by-step guide. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and share it with other traders looking to enhance their trading experience. Until next time, happy trading.